Welcome to the Topical Explorer, your go-to channel for diving deep into the most trending topics in the digital world. Our mission? To demystify the complex, break down the buzzwords, and ensure you're always in the know. Today, we're venturing into the realm of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, a fascinating frontier that's revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with digital assets. So, buckle up, explorers, as we embark on this exciting journey of discovery and learning. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered how to in NFTs? NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets. Unlike fungible cryptocurrencies like NFTs can't be exchanged on a like-for-like basis. They represent unique digital ownership of items such as art, music, or in-game objects. Bought sold online, often with cryptocurrency. They use blockchain technology for authentication and proof of ownership. Think of NFTs like owning an original painting. Anyone can buy a print, but only one can own the original. Now that you have a basic understanding of what NFTs are, let's delve into the process of investing in them. But why should you invest in? The reasons are twofold. NFTs offer high return potential, with many investors witnessing substantial profits. Additionally, they pave the way for supporting artists directly, contributing to their success. NFTs provide a unique chance to own unique and immutable digital assets. While the potential benefits are appealing, it's vital to understand the process of investing. The first step to investing in NFTs is setting up a digital wallet. This is where you'll keep your NFTs, akin to a private virtual art gallery. Well-known digital wallets for NFTs include MetaMask and Trust Wallet. They offer security and user-friendliness, ideal for beginners. After setting up your wallet, you've scaled the first obstacle in your NFT venture. With a digital wallet in place, you're set for the next step. The next step is to fund your wallet with cryptocurrency. Think of it as filling up a digital wallet, not with traditional currency, but with a digital form like Ethereum, a prevalent choice in the NFT sphere. To acquire Ethereum, engage with cryptocurrency exchange. After the purchase, it's as simple as transferring your Ethereum into your digital wallet. It's akin to moving funds into your bank account, only it's all digital. With a loaded wallet, you're now prepared to step into the world of NFT shopping. The final step is to purchase your chosen NFT. You're now ready to dive into the world of NFTs. But remember, haste makes waste. Like any investment, an NFT requires understanding. Start by checking the item's history, including past sales, previous owners, and the piece's provenance. Also consider the seller's reputation within the NFT community and their past successful transactions. These are vital questions to ask. Take your time. Investing in NFTs isn't a race, but a journey. It's about making informed decisions, leading to potentially profitable outcomes. You are now equipped with the basic knowledge you need to start investing in NFTs. Now that you've made your first NFT purchase, it's time to maximize your investment. Remember, owning an NFT isn't just about financial gains. It's about joining a vibrant community. Engage with other NFT owners and participate in to gain market insights and networking opportunities. Collaborating others for joint purchases or trades can also be beneficial. Stay updated with the latest NFT news to make informed investment decisions. The digital art market is continuously evolving, and awareness can guide your decisions. NFTs blend art and technology, making participation rewarding. In the next scene, we'll be signing off, but we'll be back with more insightful topics to explore. Stay tuned.